if you have one of these Tineco vacuum cleaners, maybe like me, you found the Tineco cleaner stuff kind of expensive. Maybe like me, you tried using your own cleaners and it does not like most cleaners. Anything that makes suds, I don't know. I just know it got really mad at me when I tried to use my own cleaners. It constantly was saying, empty, dirty water tank, vacuum needs cleaning, blah, 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 blah. So this is a picky vacuum mop thing that I have. But I finally found something a little bit cheaper that it is willing to use. And it is these floor cleaner effervescent tablets. I got the lemongrass scent. It is also compatible with like your robot. If you have like the robot mops, you can use these tablets in those. So it does show on it, on the back, it shows like a Tineco thing. So maybe it's not like, looks like my Tineco anyways. It doesn't say Tineco on it. But the ingredients are sodium bicarbonate, which I think is like baking soda, citric acid, sodium sulfate, maltodextrin, plant pure fumes, surfactant. I thought that means sudsing, but this does not suds. It does not clog my vacuum mop thing. Pigment and, defoamer. Maybe that's the key, that it has a defoamer in it. Anyways, I will say I've been using these for a while. I feel like my dirty water tank, it stays fresher smelling. It doesn't have a strong scent. These don't have a strong scent. They do dissolve, not instantly if you're using like regular water straight from the faucet. If you're not using hot water, they don't dissolve instantly, but they dissolve pretty stinking fast. So I'm gonna show you what they look like, how they dissolve. But if you're looking for a cheaper Tineco floor cleaner that comes in different scents, I mean, these are great. And I like that it doesn't take up much space. And it's really easy to just make up the amount of cleaner I want. And if you want, you can put 2 tablets in there. I've done that before to try to get a little more scent, but honestly, 1 works fine. This machine does good cleaning, like the little roller bar, and it works well. Just 1 of these tablets, but I have done 2 tablets that also work. So let me show you what the tablets look like and how long it takes for them to dissolve with just regular out of the sink cold water. Right, the tablet looks like this. It smells lemongrassy and it just barely fits in there, but it does fit in there. And then I just fill it up to the line to the max. I have a little bit of cleaner fluid in there right now, but we're just gonna fill this up. And then let me fill it up and then I'll show you how long it takes to dissolve. You can see it kind of is effervescent. And this is cold water. I didn't put warm water in it. If you get warm water in the vacuum one, I think it works a little better at cleaning your floors. And also, I think it dissolves a little faster. But, I mean, it dissolves, no problem. So if you're in a hurry, you want it to dissolve fast. If you want your floors to get a little cleaner, I mean, use warm water. If not, it is effervescent. It does dissolve on its own. And because of the bubbles, like the cleaning solution gets spread throughout evenly. You can even see, you see those bubbles at the top of it. That effervescent makes sure it's not like it's consolidated on the top. And if you were also in a hurry, I mean, you also, I guess, could break it up and then pack it and then dump it in. But yeah, I like these tablets. I think it's a cheaper alternative. I like the scent that it comes in. I like that it keeps my dirty water tank smelling nice too. And if you want them to dissolve faster, just use warm water. Like I said, I've used warm water. It dissolves faster. I really don't care though. Any temperature water, they still dissolve just fine. Hope this helps you know if it's something you want to buy. If you're looking to save money and you have one of these Tineco vacuum mops, I recommend it.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.